A long time ago, in the desert, King Nebuchadnezzar was making people bow down to him.
When you hear the trumpet blow, bow down to the statue of the king, and if not, you'll be thrown into the fire.
That statue doesn't even look like you!
Silence!
Sorry.
As the trumpet blew, everyone bowed down except three young, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
Bring them over here.
Those guys are weird!
Why didn't y'all bow down to me?
We don't worship idols. We worship God in heaven.
Bring them to the furnace.
So the king sentenced them to death.
Wait, hold on. I thought all we put in there were 3 boys. It's the Son of the Lord.
King Nebuchadnezzar couldn't believe it, so he stuck his hand in the fire to see if it really burned.
Ah! Bring them out.
The Lord God saved us.
Amen!